So today I'm going to be showing you how to get your suede roller skate from this to this. This is going to be part one of a three-part series of how to clean your roller skate, so stay tuned for my next videos, which will be how to clean your bearings and how to clean your wheels. So what you'll need for this video is some white vinegar, a suede brush kit that I got from Amazon, which I will link down below, some rags, and optional a T-tool and a crab tool or a wrench to take off your toe stop and wheels.
Alright, let's get started. So first I'm just going to take my laces and put them in a bowl with baking soda, laundry detergent, and hot water, and I'm just going to let those soak while I take care of the rest of my skates. So first I'm starting with the suede brush kit. I'm going to be using the eraser first, so I'm just going to use this all over my skate, and I'm going to go pretty hard on it because this really helps to take off dirt.
Describes human behavior is as an action. What you do is what the whole unit.
Next, I'm going to use the brush. I'm going to be using the side that has the bristles on it first. So this also helps to loosen up the dirt. Next, I'm using the other side of the brush, which is more of a plasticky side, and this side will just smooth out the suede. Now I'm going to be pouring my vinegar into a bowl, and I'm just going to go over some of the darker spots of dirt that didn't really come off. Don't be afraid to use vinegar on your skates, it'll dry. Next, you're just going to leave your skates to dry, and then take the laces out of the water and let those dry as well, and then put them back on your skate. And here you have the final product.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would really help me a lot. Thank you once again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.